Hi everyone, I'm Kristen Butler and I'm here to share with you all the portfolio I have created. This is my homepage. At the top I have my name, beneath there I have a menu selections tab, an image of myself, and then if you scroll down a tiny bit I have a little introduction paragraph about me, basically highlighting who I am, my major, my minor, and a little bit more information about me in regards to this portfolio. I then have a button to my resume, so if you click there it takes you to the resume tab. If you scroll down, I have a snapshot of my resume, and then if you want a PDF version, you just have to click the Take a Look button. If you click Kristen Butler, it takes you right back to the home page. I then have a link to my LinkedIn profile, so if you click on that button, it takes you right to my profile. I have an About Me tab, so if you click there, it talks a little bit about me outside of my resume to learn more about who I am. So I discuss my time in Gamma Phi Beta, a sorority on campus. I have a link to the Gamma Phi Beta website here to learn more about if you're interested in that. I also talk about tennis and the impact it has had on my life. I am part of a volunteer organization at home called Grassroots Tennis, and here is a link to that. So if you click on there, you can learn more about that. I also talk a little bit about club tennis and my involvement with that on campus. Another part of the About Me tab is I made an interactive map using Maptive. I thought this was another cool element to include into my portfolio because it is a media creation tool and I love to travel, so I figured I might as well kind of combine the two. So here is a look. If you click check it out, you can see the top 10 places I want to travel to. It takes you to a map, and then you can click on each icon and it shows you an image and then where that location is. So it's really cool. It's a really easy tool to use. I then have my artifacts. So if you click on that, here is a brief overview of instructional technology as well as why I feel as though it's important, and then a quick snapshot of every single artifact I did. I decided to do 12 artifacts, and if you click on each one, it takes you directly to the that artifacts tab. So I have, for interactive timeline, I have a snapshot of my timeline, as well as beneath that I highlight the important information I feel as though people should know about the tool, as well as my process to use the tool. So if you go back to artifacts, so here's the infographic, a snapshot, and then if you click take a look, it sends you to the actual infographic, so you can look at that. And then beneath that, I talk about that as well. And then for a video example, I did the Powtoon mind and brain animation, a snapshot there, and then if you click take a look, it sends you right to there. And the video and sound both work for all my videos. Yeah, so that's just a little brief overview of all of the artifacts I decided to incorporate into my project. I also have a contact me tab in case people want to learn more about me and get into contact. They just submit this to me and it goes right to my email. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation.